Your engine is trying to kill your car, and you're helping it do that every single morning. If you're one of those people who starts the car, lets it idle for 5 or 10 minutes before driving off, especially in winter, I need you to stop after this video. Because you're not protecting your engine, you're wearing it down faster and burning your money into the cold morning air. Here's where this habit even came from. Decades ago, cars actually did need this. Older vehicles ran on carburetors, and those engines genuinely struggled to mix fuel and air properly when cold. Idling for a few minutes actually helped stabilize things before you drove off. That advice made sense back then, and it got passed down from parents to kids, from mechanics to customers, until it became one of those universal truths nobody questioned anymore. But here's the problem. Almost every car on the road today uses fuel injection, not carburetors. Your engine has sensors and computers constantly adjusting the fuel and air mixture in real time, even when it's freezing outside. Modern engines are built to handle cold starts and drive immediately. No warm-up idle required. So what actually happens when you sit there idling? Your engine warms up incredibly slowly at idle, way slower than it would if you were actually driving. The engine oil takes longer to circulate and reach the right temperature too. And this matters because your engine is running rich, meaning more fuel and less efficient combustion for the entire time it's cold, which strips oil off your cylinder walls faster than normal. And that's the part almost nobody talks about. Long idling in cold weather can actually wash oil away from parts of the engine that need lubrication, causing more wear, not less. So the thing you thought was protecting your engine could be quietly damaging it over time. Then there's the money and the planet. A car idling for 10 minutes every morning for a year is not a small number. It adds up to gallons of wasted fuel and real money gone just evaporating into thin air while your car sits parked in the driveway going nowhere. Multiply that across millions of drivers doing the exact same thing every winter, and you're looking at a massive, unnecessary environmental cost, all based on outdated advice. So what should you actually do instead? Mechanics agree on this almost universally now. Start your car, let it run for around 30 seconds to a minute, just enough for oil to begin circulating, then drive gently. Avoid flooring it immediately. Take it easy for the first 5 to 10 minutes of driving, and your engine will warm up faster, more evenly, and with far less wear than idling ever gave you. The uncomfortable truth here is that most of us do this because it feels responsible. It feels like we're taking care of something we care about. But sometimes the things that feel right are the exact things quietly working against us, and that applies to a lot more than just cars. So here's my question for you. What's one thing you always believed was true, maybe about cars, health, money, or life in general, until you found out it was actually a myth the whole time? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and let's bust a few more myths together.